Hello everyone, it's your boy Praise aka Praise FX Online right here on YouTube, and in this video I'm going to be telling you guys the secrets to being a good forex trader and make a lot of money. If this is your first time watching my video or visiting my channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Quickly, let's jump right to it. Now there are three aspects, which are number one, trend, number two, the level, and three, the signals. The first aspect is the market trends. You know how to identify the market trend using multiple time frames analysis. You also know how to differentiate between trending markets and range bound markets. The second aspect is the levels. You learned how to draw support and resistance from my previous video, and by the way, if you haven't watched it, you should check it out. It's the video before this one. This skill will help you better enter the market in the right time. And if you want me to teach you more about this or share more about this experience, make sure you comment below, and hey, don't forget to subscribe. Now the third aspect which I'm going to talk about is the signals. You need to see different candlestick patterns and understand the psychology behind its formation and the message they send you. Now guys, when the chart opens up, you will try to answer three important questions. Now pay attention. The first question is, what is the market doing? Is it trending, consolidating, or is it a choppy market? If it is trending, you know how to identify if it is an uptrend or a downtrend. If it's a ranging market, you will see it is trading horizontally between two boundaries. And if it is a choppy market, whoa, you look closely at your chart and then you stay away from choppy market. Let's look at this trade right here, this chart right here before us. This is AUD USD pair at 4 hours time frame. When you look at it closely, we'll try to answer the question, what is the market doing? You can clearly see that the market is trending. What kind of trend is it doing? Is it an upward trend or a downward trend? If you look closely, you see that this is an upward trend. That answers your question. It's as simple as that. You move on to the next question. What is the most powerful levels in the market? Now, if the market is trending up or down, or it is ranging, we will try to find the most important support and resistance levels. These levels are the best zones where you can buy and sell the market. Let's look at our chart right here again, the AUD USD at 4 hour time frame. Let's find the support and resistance points. We'll insert the shapes, horizontal line. You see at 0.64085 here, see there is a strong support here, and our resistance will also insert another horizontal line here, and the top here at 0.5. Yeah, so you see, that's it. These are strong support and resistance. This simply answers that question. So the last question you answer is, what is the best signal to enter the market? The best signal to enter the market means the right time to execute your trade. And if you can answer this question, you, my friend, have known the secrets to trading forex. And then you can make a whole lot of money. I guarantee you this, you make lots of money with these simple secrets. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell to turn on the notification. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And I still remain your boy Praise, and I'm signing out. Have a beautiful day until the next one.